So today I thought to start with the U and U की मात्रा वाले शब्द. When I start with this ना, always students they just used to get confused between U and O. So today I thought to clear this U and even O and O की मात्रा वाले शब्द कि what is the difference between them. So first you have to be very careful with their pronunciation of the each letter. So actually U as I have written U and U matra wale shabd, but when it starts with this for the primary kids, when you are writing here and when you will tell and you will ask ki just read it this, they will read U, but when you are going to pronounce this related matras words, they will write it O ki matra. So here as if you will go to my previous videos, you can see ki as I have written for this U, even for this double. That means ki see, like today also I am telling you again ki U, like English phonics only, U has a two sounds O and U. So here also what you have to do, you have to forget about the O sound. Here you have to think about only U sound. Here as I have mentioned double O. Double O in English you know ki double O makes a U. Means you have to give a more pressure on this while pronouncing this kind of words. So now I just give you few words here like ko, u, cho, kuch, chup, sun. So see, normally we have to pronounce kuch, chup, sun. Just focus on the pronunciation of the letter, even that matra, ki how we are going to pronounce. Here I just, according to this, I just write in English, so you will get clear concept. This is kuch. Here you can notice this ki for cho I have written CH. It's not CH. CH means cho, so it will become a kuch. Here chup. See, here cho is there, so here I have written CH. Sun. So this is the minor difference between this U and this U. So here what you have to do, here you have to pronounce it little more. Actually, you have to give a more pressure. Here we just said kuch. But for this we have to write it. I just write this. It's like धूप, फूल and भूख. So here according to this I am going to write, and here also again I am telling you this is a dha which has a h also with the d. Otherwise what they do, they just write it with the d only, but that is called a the, not the, which has the h sound at the end. The. So d hat, fool. Okay, I just write it either this, even book. See. So here also boo. Ba and bha also children get confused if that is a ba or that is a bha. But see, I have mentioned here b hat means bha. Ha sound is coming. So this is your bhook. So these are the minor mistakes where students always get confused if what and how to pronounce it. So this is your like just get a clear concept. Here I am pronouncing kuch, but here dhoop. We have to give more pressure. Chup, but this is fool. Sun, this is bhook. In English also, for a fool, this fool is a flower, but how we just pronounce it fool. So this is the minor difference, but it's major mistakes where students always does. So please go through this. Please like and subscribe. Please watch it till end. For more information, I will come through the another videos for O and O की मात्रा वाले शब्द. Thank you.